Hello, kindergarten. So before I do the next letter for this week, there's another group of letters I want to teach you about. Remember, we've already done magic C letters, and we did swimming letters, and we've done the start at the top and drop letters. So this is the last group that they all have something that's the same, and they're the sliding letters. I know we talked a little bit about this with uppercase M. Remember, it had a V shape in the center, slide down, slide up. So these are the lowercase sliding letters. And then we have one more group. They're just the letters that do their own thing. So I'm not sure what I'm going to call those yet, but that's the last group, and we'll do those pretty soon, okay? So, quick introduction to the sliding letters.
Now, I wanted to show you a picture of a slide. So you could imagine if you were standing at the top of this slide and you sat down to slide down, you would be starting at the top and sliding down to the right. Sometimes sliding letters start at the bottom and they go up. You slide up. It's kind of like if there's not a busy slide and you have the chance to climb up the slide. It's like they do that, and it's really fun if you ever have a chance to do that. I know teachers and parents always say, go down the slide, don't climb up, but it's actually proven to be very good exercise. You just have to be safe. Now on this slide, I would be standing at the top and I would slide down to the left. And there are some letters that do that. X and Y do that. Now, real quickly, I'm just going to show you the sliding lowercase letters. So here's lowercase v. It starts at the top and it slides down, and then it climbs back up the ladder. It slides up. You never lift your pencil. Here's a W. This is going to make 4 slides. You're going to slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. You never lift your pencil. Now, X has 2 slides and you do lift your pencil. So you make the first slide and then you lift your pencil. And this is one, remember I said it starts at the left and slides down. The other letter that does that is the Y. So you do your little slide first, down, and then you pick up and do a long slide. So it's a little bit like an X, kind of. Now, Z is different. It doesn't just have slides. It has a straight line and then a slide and then another straight line. And we'll learn all of those soon. Now, here's the letter we're working on this week, lowercase k. It has a tall line down, and then it's going to do a little slide. And we'll work on that next.